Just wanted to go over a 0 DCE possibility here. Futures are down about 0.1%, relatively flat, which means I'm going to probably be looking for the iron condor in this case. This is the 30-minute chart on SPX. We can see we dropped quite a bit around 11 o'clock yesterday, had a good run up, and then we closed near the high of the open of the previous. That was actually a few days. So this is a 30-minute chart. For the last, zoom in a little bit more. You can see that we're near the top over the last few weeks right now. And this is acting as a resistance line just because we had multiple touch points here. Didn't have enough strength, so it dropped down. And we're back here again. So there's a chance that we might consolidate in this general area. It's a low probability that we're going to shoot up. And if you go out to even mid-May, this high is at 59.65. So we're going to be looking to sell a call credit spread above this. And then as for the put side, we did have some lows at 5,700. Won't be able to sell down there for a 0 DTE to make enough premium. But if you look at the recent lows, 58.54, almost to a T, it touched here, bounced again, and then it tested it here, bounced up again. So this is acting like a support. When you have multiple support lines like here, multiple touches of this line, it shows a little bit more strength in that support line. So ideally, we could try to sell around the 58.65 on the put side. That might give enough credit. We'll have to see if it's worth it. The call credit spread should be adequate. We might add on the put credit spread just to get a little bit more premium on the iron condor. By doing it that way, you'll get slightly more premium with the same amount of buying power. So if you're doing a call credit spread and a put credit spread at the same time, obviously both of them can't go in the money at the close at the same time. So you get a little bit more premium with the same amount of buying power. So that's why I'm leaning towards IC, Iron Condor, ideally around the 58.55 or 58.60 range on the put credit spread. Call credit spread, we're going to go at least 59.65. We'll go a little bit past that probably. We might be able to go to 59.80, 59.85. Hope that helps, guys. Have a good rest of the day. Ask me any questions on the Discord. I'll see you guys in there.